All right, let's make a homemade chocolate cake from scratch. First, what we do is we're going to put all the dry ingredients in. That's flour, sugar, cocoa, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And what we're going to do is mix this up. Remember last time I didn't like the mixer because it was just a hand mixer, so I do everything from hand. So, all right, after we get this all good and mixed, we're going to put in the wet ingredients: oil, milk, eggs, and vanilla. Still get me messy. All right. After you get all that good and mixed up, we're going to get a cup of hot water. Pour that in there. Mix it up. Then we're going to put it on a 9 by 12 pan, and we're going to cook it. Put it in the oven. Alrighty. What I usually do is I'll put it on a baking pan so it'll be easier to bring out of the oven. The cake is out of the oven. I need to let it cool down so I can frost it. But it looks delicious. Chocolate cake made from scratch and frosted with pecan coconut icing. It looks delicious. If you want to see more me, more recipes, subscribe. Until next time, see ya!